Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound. So today we have our very first sponsor. I'm really excited to welcome them to the channel. The name of the company is called Muslogy, M-U-S-L-O-G-Y, and they provide parts for the Ford Maverick. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to put it in the car to see how it looks. They've sent me a center console holder, and they've also sent me an armrest pad for the center console as well. So looking forward to seeing how that fits in, how it feels, how it looks, and then I'll give you a full review on what I think of the product. So I want to thank you guys again for watching this. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive. I'd really like to thank the people at Muslogy for actually sending me this information, sending me these great products, and we'll see what goes on, okay? Here's the first box, and we're going to do a real quick unopening and check out, see what it has. So as we open the box, it opens from the top right here. Pull it open, and it's packaged very nicely. Regular box, by the way, and comes in a really cool kind of bubble wrap container, and has these little pads that go into these separate compartments. So these pads are cell-stick pads. This pad right here goes right here. Like that. And this pad right here goes down into this little console right here, so nothing slides around. And it comes with this double-sided tape. So it's going to go underneath the bottom of the unit from here to here, and that's going to go and sit in the center console up by the dashboard. I think it's well made. It's made of a very nice solid hard plastic. It's not cheap or chintzy feeling. There's no sharp edges on the inside here or underneath it. And then if you turn it back over, these, like I said, they just kind of just fall right into place, and they're in the shape of that area, so you know you're not going to put them in the wrong place. And then we'll put that in the truck in a few moments. The second package that they sent me was this center armrest. I could tell you it's got a nice little soft feel to it. It springs right back. It comes in this nice plastic bag, and opening the bag, it's got a quality feel to it, and it's got these two straps underneath, so you slide it over the center console, and we'll put that in a minute. So here's the inside of the Ford Maverick. This is where the radio is, obviously, and this is the area in which we're going to be doing the first piece, which is this tray. And look how sweet this looks. It adds so much to it. You get some extra space in there. I'm able to put my Easy Pass right up here. I can put my phone in here, or pretty much anything else I might have that I don't want to be sliding around the dashboard. It really does give you some extra room, and it kind of locks right in to either side. What a nice little feature. So I'm gonna wind up putting these little double stick tapes, one underneath here and one underneath on this side so it doesn't slide around. But that's really nice. I like it. It's super trick. Oh my goodness. It fits perfectly. So what I chose to do is I put the felt here and the felt here, so that when you do put the tray in, it stays locked in and it doesn't rattle around. So there's not a lot of rattle there. So there were no instructions in the box. I think instructions should come in the box, even though it's a very simple modification to add to your truck. Then you wind up putting in these cool little pads that are this exact shape of these little spots. You throw up your Easy Pass and you're good to go. That's fantastic. So on a scale from 1 to 5, I'm going to give this 4.5. The only thing, my only knock on it is that it's not double stick tape. It's to hold it down nice and tight. It does have the felt, and the second thing is it doesn't have instructions, but I think this is great. 4.5 out of 5. Absolutely would strongly recommend it. It's going to be in the description below, so please make sure if you're going to purchase it, you just go to the description below, and I'll be more than happy to provide that link for you. Sure that it fits correctly, because you know, they may have different colors that they'll be offering in the future. I think this would have looked really trick in orange. The same orange that's right here. This would have looked really trick to kind of just make everything pop on the inside of the car. So this is what it looks like installed in the car. It's really nice, and it's super, super soft. It's got these two little straps right here. There's a strap here that goes underneath this piece, and then there's another bigger strap down here that kind of connects in. You just got to fiddle with it just a little bit to get it nice and straight, but it's really nice. It's super soft. I like it. I just wish that it was just a different color, but it's really, really nice. It's soft. It's going to protect that inside. So, you know, on a scale from, you know,
this product is also going to get a 4.5. Very well made, fits perfectly.
The fit and finish is amazing. They did a really good job getting it to fit nicely. This is out a little bit, but that's going to fold down over time. But this is super nice. So I really want to thank the people at Muslogy for letting me try out their product. And
please make sure you go to the description and check out the links to these two products. They are definitely worthwhile. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about to